What is going on, guys? The video that you guys were all waiting for. How did my A+ setup lose today? How did it lose? Because this is a probability game, guys. It's a probability game, and at the end of the day, these setups will lose sometimes, and you guys have to be okay with that, and you guys cannot be over-risking on these setups. I personally even took a half-size loss with this trade. Some would even argue that, yes, my stop loss honestly should have been at this bullish candle body right here. With it being right here, that's a half-size loss. It's a half-size loss. I lost $250. Do you really think that's that big of a loss for an A+ setup? No, not at all, guys. Not at all. And honestly, guys, these equal highs were low-hanging fruit. You easily could have targeted higher right here for this internal high. Now, with that being said, guys, I will keep it simple today. We were dumping all morning. All right? It was about being patient and waiting for this higher time frame liquidity sweep. So what do we see, guys? We ultimately see this final 4-hour low getting taken out. So when I look on the 4-hour time frame right here, it was clear that these 4-hour lows were going to get ran today, right? It's pretty obvious that these 4-hour lows were all going to get ran, right? Our trade appeared when we swept out this 4-hour low. So it was the final 4-hour low on ES, right? It was the final 4-hour low on ES. Now, with that being said, guys, since it was the final low being swept on the 4-hour, why would I not be looking to take longs from that point? If I see clean bullish displacement coming into the market, why would I not look to take an entry? So, to summarize it, guys, we see a clean internal sweep of liquidity here with external sweep of liquidity and a beautiful 1-minute inversion fair value gap. Literally beautiful, guys. To the T, I would take this setup every day of the week. We have equal highs resting right above us here. Not only do we have equal highs resting above us, but also just like rebalancing this range, guys. It's as simple as that. Even at our break-even mark, we could expect to see this internal high get taken here. That's a beautiful setup, and it was being patient all morning too, guys. We had, clean sweeps of liquidity there with our higher time frame SMT. For instance, I know some people took this 2-minute inverse. We don't have any sort of SMT here. Yes, we are rejecting out of a 5-minute bearish gap, and yes, we are rebalancing this range. But ultimately, we have no SMT here telling us that we want to go lower here. You're basically just trying to long the top right here. And as you can see, price did chop around a lot right here. Depending on your entry, break even or not, I would rather wait for more confirmation in that scenario. I know some people also tried taking this 1-minute inverse, and the reasoning behind why I didn't take this is we just haven't rebalanced this range, guys. We haven't rebalanced this range, and most importantly, the assets were not correlating at this point. If you guys took this 1-minute inverse, you guys were forcing this trade, and you guys were just being greedy today. That was not a good setup. I made it very clear in the free Discord. If you guys haven't already joined, I live trade every single New York AM session. So yeah, guys, this was an A+ setup today. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Maybe you guys took this and was just like, why'd it lose? Well, guys, this is a probabilities game once again. All right, I've seen this setup play out 9 out of 10 times. I could you not. This is beautiful displacement, beautiful volume within the market with clear low-hanging fruit equal highs right above us to target. It's a beautiful setup that I would take any day of the week, guys. So with that being said, hopefully you guys did take something away from this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.